read Gurbani, they know that there is a particular Bani that comes in which the Guru writes Shabd that associated with the months of the year. The name of this Bani is Barama. Now Sangat Ji, a lot of us are familiar of the new year starting on January 1st. That is the calendar that these Western countries follow. But when we go back to our roots, Sangat Ji, the Sikh New Year, our New Year, as of this year, Sangat Ji, is coming on March 14th, the beginning of Chet. Now Sangat Ji, something absolutely beautiful the Guru does, and this has been mentioned in other Katha, is that they normalize us connecting to Gurbani, connecting to Vaheguru in every aspect of our life. And they normalize this based on the seasons, based on your emotions, based on the days of the week and the months. And today specifically we will talk about the beginning of the new year, the beginning of Chet. Now Sangat Ji, within this Bani, within that Shabd, the Guru first begins by saying this: Chet Govind Aradhiya Hove Anand Kana Sant Jana Mil Paya Rasana Naam Pana. The Guru says in the month of Chet, Chet Govind Aradhiye. Sangat Ji, ਆਪਾਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਕਦੀ ਕਦੀ ਆਮੀ ਕੋਈ ਭੋਜਨ ਛਕ ਕੇ ਹਟੋਗੇ ਉਹ ਕਹੋਗੇ ਬੜਾ ਆਨੰਦ ਆਇਆ, ਜਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਜਾਓਗੇ ਤੇ ਕਹੋਗੇ ਬੜਾ ਹੀ ਆਨੰਦ ਆਇਆ, ਕੋਈ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਗੀਤ ਸੁਣੋਗੇ ਕਹੋਗੇ ਬੜਾ ਹੀ ਆਨੰਦ ਆਇਆ। ਪਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਗੁਰਮੁਖ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਹਰ ਰੋਜ਼ ਆਨੰਦ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੀ ਬਾਣੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਆ, ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆਨੰਦ ਆਨੰਦ ਸਭ ਕੋ ਕਹਿ। ਅੱਗੇ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ? ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆਨੰਦ ਗੁਰੂ ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਵੀ ਅਸਲੀ ਆਨੰਦ ਹੈਗਾ ਕੀ ਆ। Everybody, Sangat Ji, wants to find bliss in their lives. Every human being on this earth is seeking it. But Sangat Ji, we have forgotten where we're supposed to be looking. And that is why the merciful, the Dayavan Guru, they say Chet Govind Aradhiye. In the beginning of this new year, in the beginning of this month, do the Simran of Vaheguru. And what will we obtain? Sangat Ji, sometimes people say, what happens when we do Path? What will I achieve? The Guru says, Hove Anand Kana. That happiness, that satisfaction, that eternal peace, Sangat Ji, we seek will be found. Maharaj ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਅਕਾਲ ਪੁਰਖ ਦੀ ਸਿਮਰਨ ਦੇ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਆਨੰਦ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਤ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਆ। ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਆਨੰਦ ਤਾਂ ਬਥੇਰੇ ਆ, ਪਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਨੰਦ ਸਦਾ ਹੀ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਉਹ ਅਕਾਲ ਪੁਰਖ ਦੀ ਭਗਤੀ ਬੰਦਗੀ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਪੈਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ। And now Sangat Ji, the Guru continues, they say Sant Jana Mir Paya Rasana Naam Pana. We might be thinking, well, how am I supposed to do this? How do I do the Simran of Vaheguru? The Guru is saying, find the sanctuary of the saints, of the Sant. Now Sangat Ji, there are many people who call themselves saints today. ਅੱਜ ਬਥੇਰੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਸੰਤ ਅਖਵਾਉਂਦੇ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ। But within Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj, the Samrath Satguru, they have given us the definition of what a sant actually is, who is actually a saint. If I wear completely white clothes and close my eyes, is this what makes me a saint? No, Sangat Ji. The Guru says, Jina saas karas na visre har nama man mant tan se sei nanaka puran soi sant. That being who remembers Vaheguru and Simran with each breath, does not forget the Vaheguru even for an instant, the Guru says the complete saint is that being. Now, if we know there is one saint for sure, Sangat Ji, because nowadays there are so many, it is hard to tell. If we know there is one being that exists today who is a complete saint, and that is Tan Tan Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, the sanctuary whom sanctuary you're sitting in right now. Sant jana mil paiye rasana naam pada. The Guru says, go into the sanctuary of these beings, like you've all come here today, rasana naam pada, and start to recite the name of Vaheguru. Start to do Simran. And Sangat Ji, now the Guru continues in this Shabad. Jin paya prabh apna aaye tis he gana ek khin tis bin jeevana birtha janam jana. The Guru uses a little bit of strict language for us here. They say, Jin paya prabh apna aaye tis he gana. The Guru is saying those beings who will truly be accepted, to have come on this earth and then go by obtaining the goal they were sent here for. And what is that goal? Jin paya prabh apna. Those beings, those Sikhs, those Gurmukhs who have achieved union with the Vaheguru. The Guru says, Aaye tis he gana. Only those beings will be taken into account. In the next line, they say something so beautiful. They say, Ek khin tis bin jeevana. Now, Sangat Ji, when we think of doing bhakti, doing bandgi, usually we think there's a certain time of the day we should be doing this. In the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, before we go to sleep. This is the general. Maybe we come to the Gurdwara on the weekends and we think this is alright, we are comfortable with doing this. The Guru says, Ek khin tis bin jeevana. Sangat Ji, think about how long it takes for you to blink your eye. How long does it take? Just blink your eye. How long does that take? Milliseconds. The Guru says, forgetting Vaheguru even for that shortest period of time, the time it takes for you to blink your eye and open it, if you forget Vaheguru even for that much time, the Guru says, Birtha Janam Jana. They have used very strict words. They said, your life has gone uselessly. Now when we hear such a shabd, what are we supposed to take away from this? That we have a lot of work to do, Sangat Ji. That we need to get out of our comfort zone. Those beings that read Rahra Sahib every evening, there's a shabd by Guru Arjan Dev Ji that we all read. And the Guru says, Bhai bhai prapat manukh de huriya Gobind milan ki eh teri bariya. You've obtained this human life. And Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj, they say, now is your chance to meet Vaheguru. This is your chance. Yes, Sangat Ji, we go to school. Yes, we do our work. Yes, we need to provide for your family. You need to do all your worldly obligations. But the Guru says, within all that, don't forget what you were truly here for. Gobind milan ki ehi teri bariya. This is your chance to meet Vaheguru. How many of us have lived our lives like this? We have many goals. Sangat Ji, apni jeevan vich tak kai mansha hundiyan, kai aasa hundiyan. Par kinne gurmukh hage ਜਿਹਦੀ ਮਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਪਿਆਸ ਆ, ਇਹ ਆਸ ਆ, ਵੀ ਰੱਬ ਦੇ ਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਹੋ ਜਾਣ, ਵੀ ਰੱਬ ਨਾਲ ਇੱਕਮਿਕ ਹੋ ਜਾਈਏ. We have many desires, Sangat Ji. We want to make a lot of money in our lives. We want to be having all of these great facilities. How many people actually keep the desire? If we look at this entire world, to meet Vaheguru, I think we can confidently say, Sangat Ji, that it's not the majority. But now when we read the Bani of the Guru, they're saying this is exactly what you were supposed to be doing. So Sangat Ji, now the Guru continues in this Shabad of Chet. Jal thal mahiyal puriya ravya vich vana. The Guru says that Vaheguru is not something that is far away. Look at how everything connects, Sangat Ji. The Guru begins by saying, do Simran, Chet Govind Aradhiya. Then they tell us, do not forget that Vaheguru even for a moment. And when we start obtaining that, now they start telling us that Vaheguru you're looking for is not far away. Jal thal mehil puriya, this shabd, these words come a lot in Gurbani. Jal meaning in water, thal meaning below the earth, mehil above the earth. In absolutely every direction, the Guru says, Puriya is completely pervading. Vaheguru is everywhere, Sangat Ji. Vaheguru is present here, right now. But the reason we cannot experience that is because of our homma, our ego, Sangat Ji. The disconnection made by our own karma. Now the Guru continues, Sangat Ji, to tell us, So prabh chetna avai ketada dukh gana. My brothers and sisters, a beautiful example. When we look at this as a worldly sense, those that are older than us, maybe your parents, they will give you wisdom. What is wisdom? Wisdom is there to help make your life easier, for you to flow through whatever circumstance it is, and avoiding suffering. We'll take a very basic example. Let's say your father told you that before you go to school, make sure you start your car. Something so simple. Now, we know that if we start the car, it maintains the engine. It helps it remain longer, opposed to just starting the car, taking it cold, and moving on to the highway. At some point in their father's life, maybe they were taking that car without starting it, and the consequences were seen. And so now what happened is they gained experience from that, and they gave it to you in the form of wisdom, so you won't have to experience that suffering. Sangat Ji, that was the worldly example. Now, the Satguru, they are giving us a divine wisdom. They are telling us what things are going to cause us pain, what things will cause us to suffer. And the Sangat Ji, they are showing us the way. But now it depends on us if we want to take it. The Guru says here, I am making it easy for you if you engage in these things. And if you do these things, you will obtain Vaheguru, you will be liberated, you will find that eternal peace. But if not, you will find out the hard way. The Guru is saying if we continue to associate with materialistic things, if we continue to keep desires for things in this world, for this world in general, if we continue to rely upon other human beings, we can try them all out, Sangat Ji. We will find out eventually, but the Guru is saying, hey, I've seen it all. These things will only cause you suffering. So, Sangat Ji, we need to instill that higher wisdom within our lives. Take the Guru's word for it, so we can avoid that suffering. Because Sangat Ji, when we chose to follow our own mind, when we chose to do what we think is right, we were born on this earth and died on this earth over and over. We have been here over and over, not making it out, not being liberated. And the Satguru, the divine entity, is showing us, look, you've suffered lifetimes. If you want a way out, I can show you a way out. And these are the things you must do. And today in particular, Sangat Ji, well, many times in Gurbani, the Guru is saying, do the Simran of Vaheguru. That is the absolute root, Sangat Ji. So Sangat Ji, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਵੀ ਕਈ ਸੰਗਤਾਂ ਐਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਗੁਰਮੰਤਰ ਦੇ ਸਿਮਰਨ ਲਈ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਸੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੁਝ ਸਮਾਂ ਸੰਗਤ ਰੂਪੀ ਸਿਮਰਨ ਕਰੂੰਗੇ Please join me Sangat Ji as we do the Simran of Vaheguru for a short period. Move on to the final moments of the Katha and then we will move on to the next program. If you see your mind moves, bring it back Sangat Ji. Focus yourself to the mantra. As we repeat Vaheguru, we are to be attuning ourselves to that sound. So sare hi ekagrata na baitho. Aao Sangat Ji sare naam japyo. Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru. Uchi Sangat Ji. Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru. Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru. जप लो जी वाहेगुरु 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 Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru. Har darshan ko man lochda. The Guru says, to obtain the beautiful darshan, darshan means to achieve the experience, the blessed vision of Vaheguru. Har darshan ko man lochda, nanak piyas mana. Sangat Ji, how do we feel when we're thirsty? You haven't had water all day and you've been through a lot of activity. How much thirst do you feel? You are seeking constantly for that water. Only that water then will give your body satisfaction. Nanak piyas mana. In that same sense, the Guru is saying, now within me there is a thirst. There is a piyas within me to obtain the darshan, the experience of Vaheguru. And the Guru is telling us, when that darshan is achieved, that experience is achieved, Sangat Ji, then all bliss, all eternal peace, Sangat Ji, all joys and happiness is truly obtained in our lives. The Guru in the final line says, Sangat Ji, चेत मिलाए सो प्रभु तिसकै लागा पाए. In this month of Chet, that being who can connect me to Vaheguru, the Guru is showing their humility. How are we supposed to act when we go to saints? Sanghaji, remember what we talked about? If you walk into a classroom thinking you know everything already, it doesn't matter if you're sitting there for 6 hours a day, you won't obtain anything. It is first when we come into humility, we come into surrender, that this being, I'm here to learn from them. I'm here to obtain something from them. Because Sangat Ji, I think we can say comfortably, Guru Granth Sahib Ji has achieved Vaheguru. Most of us in this darbar have probably not. And so if we wish to achieve the state Sangat Ji, then when we come in humility, surrender to the Guru, we achieve exactly what we're looking for. Chet milai so Prabhu tiske laga paye. That being who can connect me to Vaheguru, the Guru says, I humbly touch their feet. You come to the Gurudwara, what is the first thing we do, Sangat Ji? We matha tek. We bow down. What is this? We are humbly saying that I know nothing. I have come into the darbar to learn, Sangat Ji. So Sangat Ji, with that, let that build a ichcha, a desire to do more Simran in our lives. To have the thirst to connect to Vaheguru. To have the desire to achieve the truth, Sangat Ji. So thank you all to the brothers and sisters that took their time to come today. These smagams are started for you, and help spread the word if you feel that many more can benefit from this. You can find these videos on YouTube, a channel called Light Chandan, and on Instagram as well. Sarbat Sangat ne bahut hi prem te ekagrata na shravan kita. Sarbat Sangat da bahut dhanwad, Sangat Ji. So please join me in the blessed fati of Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Akho Ji, Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh.